More than 58,000 jam Yankee Stadium on Babe Ruth Day to pay homage to the famous Sultan of Swat. The Bambino, who has lately suffered a serious throat operation, is welcomed by some of his thousands of junior admirers as his glamorous diamond career is celebrated at every ballpark in the nation. Baseball's most colorful player expresses his warm appreciation to all.
There's been so many lovely things said about me, and I'm glad that I've had the opportunity to thank everybody. Thank you.
Give him away, Terry.